In today's video, let's learn an instant breakfast and easy snack recipe with poha. We'll be making very flavorful, authentic Maharashtrian style Kanda Batata Poha Recipe. Hello and welcome to Mano Cooks. I'm your Mano. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button if you're new here and click on the bell notification to watch my videos as soon as I post them. Let's get started. To a big bowl, let's add 1 cup thick poha. Now let's add water to that and wash it gently. Remember to do this gently and make sure not to break the poha. Now let's drain the poha in a sieve so that all the water drains off. Let's keep this aside. Washing the poha is enough for it to get soaked and become non-sticky and dry. Now let's take a pan and to that add 2 tablespoons regular cooking oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, allow them to crackle, and once they crackle, add 5 to 6 green chilies chopped finely. You can adjust green chilies according to your spice level. Now to this let's add few curry leaves. Let everything splutter in oil for few seconds. Now to this I am adding 1 small potato which I have cut into small cubes. Make sure to cut the potatoes into small pieces so that it cooks faster. If you do not like potato, you can skip it totally, but adding potato gives a nice twist to this poha. After that let's add 1/4 cup roasted peanuts or groundnuts here. You can add raw peanuts as well. So let's cook the peanuts and potato in oil for few minutes. Now to this add onion. I am adding 1 medium sized onion that I have chopped finely. Since potato takes more time to cook than the onion, we are adding potato first and then onion. Now let's cook everything until onion turns pink and transparent. Now to this let's add 1 teaspoon salt along with half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add little water, maybe 2 tablespoons, so that everything comes together and the potato also gets cooked. After 2-3 minutes check the potatoes. They should be cooked by now. Let's now check back on our poha. So as you see, our poha is non-sticky and dry. Now let's add this to the pan, after which I am adding half teaspoon sugar here and slowly and gently just fold the ingredients. Let's not mash or break the soaked poha here. Once mixed, let's add chopped coriander leaves and some freshly grated coconut to this. Finally, juice of half lemon. Mix gently, cover the pan and reduce the flame to low and allow it to cook covered for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and dish out yummy, moist and non-sticky kande pohe or batata poha in a different bowl and serve it with a lemon wedge and few green chilies. Not to forget hot cup of tea. So this is the most loved Mumbai's favorite pohe recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Mano Cooks, and thanks a lot for watching.